In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw an isometric circle elliptical arc using isoplane in AutoCAD. If you're creating isometric drawings, you've probably noticed that circles don't look like perfect circles. They appear as ellipses because of the isometric projection. AutoCAD makes this easy with an isometric specific option called IsoCircle, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you get the right shape on the right plane every time. Start by toggling through the isoplanes. Press F5 on your keyboard to cycle between the left, top, and right isoplane. As you press F5, watch your crosshairs and the isometric alignment cues rotate. This visual change tells you which plane you're working on. Choose the plane that matches the surface where the circle should lie, top for horizontal faces, and left or right for the corresponding side faces. Picking the correct isoplane up front ensures the ellipse is oriented properly in 3D space. Next, type ellipse and press enter. We're using the ellipse command on purpose here because AutoCAD's isometric workflow treats circles on an isoplane as special ellipses. When the command starts, look for the IsoCircle option on the command line. Choose the IsoCircle option by typing I and pressing enter. This tells AutoCAD that you want a true isometric circle, not a free-form ellipse. If you ever don't see the IsoCircle option, it usually means you're not currently on an isoplane. Tap F5 to switch planes and try again. Now click to specify the center point of the isometric circle. For accuracy, feel free to use object snaps like endpoint, midpoint, or intersection. If you're placing the circle relative to existing geometry, hover until you see the snap marker you need, then click once to lock in that center. Finally, move your cursor outward and click to set the radius. As you drag, you'll see AutoCAD preview the ellipse in the correct isometric orientation. If you need an exact size, you can also type the radius value instead of clicking. The moment you confirm the radius, AutoCAD automatically generates the isometric ellipse that represents your circle on the chosen plane. That's it. By selecting the right isoplane, running the ellipse command with the IsoCircle option, and defining the center and radius, you get a precise isometric circle aligned to your drawing. Repeat the same process on other planes as needed, and keep an eye on the isoplane indicator so every circle reads correctly in your isometric view.